Not receiving emails in Gmail, whether you're missing important work messages, verification codes, or personal emails, this problem can be frustrating. The good news is that it's usually caused by a few common issues that are easy to fix. In this guide, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps to get Gmail receiving emails again in 2026. First, refresh your inbox. If you're using Gmail in a web browser, click the refresh button or reload the page. If you're using the Gmail mobile app, swipe down to sync your inbox manually. Next, check your spam, trash, promotions, social, and updates folders. Sometimes emails are automatically filtered into these categories instead of your primary inbox. If your Google account storage is full, Gmail may stop receiving new emails. Open your Google storage page and check how much space is available. If needed, delete unnecessary files or emails to free up storage. Open Gmail settings and review your filters and blocked addresses. Also check the forwarding settings to make sure emails aren't being automatically moved, deleted, or forwarded to another address. If you're using the Gmail mobile app, make sure your device has a stable internet connection and that email sync is enabled. Disabling sync can prevent new emails from appearing. If Gmail still isn't receiving emails, try opening Gmail in an incognito window or another browser. Browser extensions can sometimes interfere with Gmail. On mobile devices, make sure you're using the latest version of the Gmail app, and that's how to fix Gmail not receiving emails in 2026. Most issues can be solved by checking your folders, freeing up storage, reviewing filters, and making sure sync is working properly. If the problem continues, you may also want to check Google's service status or contact Google support. Thanks for watching.